Okay, children. Good morning to all. Only 24 reached.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay, ma'am. Mainly, it is coming color.
Hmm?
Mainly participants are 30.
Ma'am, maybe
Okay.
some students will be
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. See, children, what is so we'll continue with the circles, right, children?
Yes,
Ma'am.
So, what is the definition of a circle?
Ma'am, circle is a part of a point moving at the same distance
Yeah.
from a point, from a fixed point.
Fixed
Okay.
point.
Okay, Shreya, tell. Definition of circle.
Circle is the path of a point moving at the same distance from a
And
fixed point.
yes. And what is this fixed point? 1 second. I'll
Ma'am,
call. Anandesh.
exact.
What is that fixed point called?
Ma'am, the fixed point is called. Now,
Fixed point in a circle.
yes, ma'am. Circle.
Fixed point is called? Very easy, no, Anandesh. Forgot.
Yes, point.
Is called?
Middle.
Who is that?
Middle.
Yes. Fixed point is called? Agne, what is that fixed point? Agne.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that fixed point?
Radius.
Did I take that?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Circle's definition did I teach?
Yes, ma'am. You said the examples also.
Okay.
Only circle's definition.
Definition, okay. Very good. Okay, children. So children, so definition of circle is, a circle is a, will you tell that definition? Circle is a
Circle is the path of a point moving at the same
That's
distance.
from a fixed point.
Circle bangle ring.
And the same distance in bracket you wrote fixed distance, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And children, what is this fixed point?
Center.
Fixed point is called Anandesh. Anandesh, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This fixed point, this fixed point is called center. And the distance we are taking for drawing the circle, no?
Yes,
It's known as
ma'am.
radius. Okay. So shall we write that?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
you can write now the fixed point.
And now we have to write this.
Yeah.
Ma'am, also it will pass through this point is called diameter.
One
Yes.
second. Sri
We
Shankar.
did not study diameter.
One second. I want to take one by one. Okay. In between, you don't tell what I have not explained. Okay. Sri Shankar, listen.
Ma'am.
Don't be confused.
Ma'am,
Children make mistakes. See, children. The fixed point is called? Fixed point. Right. The fixed point is called center. And this fixed distance.
Ma'am, we should write this.
Yes, write fast. Is called radius.
Ma'am, we should write center as heading.
Middle.
Center.
See, children, what only these things you study. You don't mix up with other things, okay? But I'm telling that you study. Okay, don't waste the time. The fixed point is called the center. And
Shreya is asking that center is the heading of this.
heading.
Or we have to continue.
You wrote the definition, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Okay.
The fixed point is called center and the fixed distance is called radius.
Done.
Okay, whatever I'm teaching, that you listen and understand. In between, you don't ask unnecessary things. The fixed point is called the center and the fixed distance is called radius. Okay, children, if we are taking, are you listening?
Yes,
Are you listening?
yes, ma'am.
If we are drawing
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
if we are drawing one circle when in the compass, we are drawing the circle with a 3 centimeter radius, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
3 centimeter we are taking
Yes, ma'am.
in the scale. We are taking in the scale and we are in the compass. We'll take the scale first and take 3 centimeter in the compass and we'll draw a circle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we
Yes,
got
ma'am.
a circle. We got a circle. So for drawing a circle, only one thing is needed. That is its radius. Radius measurement. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
So this.
Yes, ma'am,
So
it's clear.
when your compass, when you make a circle, your compass tip will make a hole. Okay. That hole indicates its
Center point.
center.
Center.
Okay, center. And the distance which we have taken for drawing the circle is known as
Radius.
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 Clear, children? All reached today. Now 33 only. Did you understand, children? This
Yes,
much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you study circles definition, I'll send all the slides. Now no need of drawing anything. Okay. Today I will send all the slides to you. You just write and go. All the things you can write and go. And I'll send the slides to you. So even you can draw it late. Understood? Clear? Clear,
Yes,
children?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we should leave line.
No need. Continue. Continue to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Afterwards, at the last, I will send all the slides to you so you can draw it together. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
So
Okay, ma'am.
when you study the definition of circles, you study this fixed point along with after telling the definition of circles, you have to tell this also. The fixed point is called center and the fixed distance is known as radius. Right, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So is it clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, yes.
Clear.
So center and radius, is it clear, all of you? Anandesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Anandesh?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll move to the next one. See, children. See. So you can see different radius there. Hmm? Okay. So radius is a line segment, right?
Yes, ma'am. Equal length.
Yes, ma'am.
Started. Sri Shankar.
Starting point and ending point.
Oh, Sri Shankar.
No, Sri Shankar.
Now keep quiet.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Listen. See, children, all the radius. See, this is a radius. This is a radius. So the radius is a line segment, right, children? Radius,
Yes,
it has a starting point and an ending point.
Yes, ma'am.
Please mute all of you. Please mute. So there is an echo. Okay. So there is a starting point and ending point. Okay, children. When you start telling, if how many radius can you see in this
Ma'am,
figure?
4.
4.
4 radius. Can you name
4
those?
radius.
Can you
Yes,
name
ma'am.
those radius?
Okay,
O-N,
O-N.
So when you
O-N,
start
O-N,
telling, you
O-N,
start
O-N.
from the center. ON is a
Yes,
line
ma'am.
segment, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is
Yes,
radius.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
OM.
OM,
Okay.
line
Yes.
segment, OM. All these are line segments. OL.
L.
What is the speciality in this? It starts from O and it has a common point, center,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Center.
OK, ON,
Yes, ma'am.
OM, OL. It starts from O. So these are all radius. So now listen to me. These all radius are of same length.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is 3 centimeter here, this also 3 centimeter, this also 3 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
So
All are
listen here. All radii is the plural of radius.
radius.
Plural of radius. Radius, plural, singular form is radius and plural form is radii. We should not tell radiuses. This radii. R-A-D-I-I. Radii is the plural form of the radius. All the radii of a circle are equal in length. Okay, children?
Yes,
All
right,
the
ma'am.
radius of circle are equal in length. Okay. Now, how many radii can be drawn in a circle? How many
so many we
radii?
can- Draw.
So many radii
Yes,
we
we
can draw.
can
So
draw.
We can draw
so
many
many.
radii.
Endless number of radii we can
Ma'am,
draw.
in Ashok Chakra and all.
Ashok Chakra, how many are there? Spokes?
24.
Okay. So all the
Ma'am, we
radii,
can draw
all the
lines.
radii are of equal length. So this slide you have studied one thing about radii. All the radii are of equal length.
Equal length.
You have
Equal
studied
length.
many things from this. That is, radii is the plural form of
Radius.
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 So when we tell two or three more than one radius, you have to use the word radii. Radii of a circle are equal in length. All the radii are equal in length. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Do you have tried it now?
And many number of radii we can draw. Many number. So instead of telling many, we use the word infinite. Infinite number of radii. Clear,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Infinite means countless, endless and all. Infinite number of radii we can draw. Infinite number of radii.
Ma'am, now do we have tried this one or after sending?
Okay, children, you write down. Right
Ma'am, I
now.
have a doubt.
This, yes.
Ma'am, we cannot name it KO.
You can name it, but usually we start from the center.
Yes,
Okay.
we should start from the center.
Start from the
Excuse
center.
me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should draw the circle or not?
No need of drawing the circle. You just write the words only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Excuse me,
radii is
ma'am.
the plural of radius. Yes. Write fast, children. Let me come to the next one.
Ma'am, we can put the heading as radius.
If you want. If you are not writing also, no problem, because I'll send the slide today itself after the class.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should draw this circle after the class.
I'll send all the slides, you can draw it. Otherwise, it will take time for drawing. Okay.
Ma'am, but I
Just
don't
write.
have the compass.
No need of drawing now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children? Now, listen. Now, listen. So, what have you studied about radius? Tell me.
Yes.
Tell me. The AMD? Tell. What is radius?
Ma'am, can you
We
hear
have
me?
studied too many things about radius now.
Radius, plural is
Radius?
plural of radius is radius.
Yes. Then next. Radius
Then it
are
will
of, radii are
have
of
the circle of equal length.
Then
infinite
infinite
numbers
number
of
of
radius
radii
we can draw
can be
in a
drawn. Okay, children. Now we will move to, let me teach
Ma'am,
one more
but
thing.
we should adjust it, right? This radius in the circle.
How can we adjust? Okay,
Ma'am,
listen to me, children. Listen. Next one is interior of a circle and exterior of a circle. Listen to me. 1 second. Okay, you write the heading. Regions of a circle. Okay, write the heading. Regions of a circle. Regions of a circle. Okay, children. When we draw a circle, see, a plane of a board. Now I am drawing a circle. So the plane in which I am drawing the circle, we are drawing the circle, that plane is divided into 3 parts. Okay, children, the plane is divided into 3 parts. Plane means the surface. The surface which I am taking, which we are taking for drawing the circle is divided into 3 parts. Okay, first one is interior. Interior means inside. Inside. And next one is exterior.
Outside.
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 Outside. And this one is known as boundary.
Yes, ma'am. Boundary.
Boundary.
First
So there are
boundary.
3 parts. The plane is divided into 3 parts. One is interior part, interior of the circle, exterior of the circle, and the boundary itself. Say, children, if you are drawing
Okay,
any other shape in the slide, any other shape in the plane, we will get the same thing. Okay, interior of the circle, exterior of the circle. In between, somebody is talking. Interior of the circle, exterior of the circle, and boundary of the circle. If you are drawing any other figure, the same thing happens. The plane is divided into 3 parts: interior of the shape, interior, exterior, and the boundary of the curve or shape. Clear, children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the plane is divided into 3 parts. The plane is divided into 3 parts. What are they?
Plane or
Ma'am,
shape?
interior, exterior, boundary.
Interior and boundary.
Boundary.
Interior, exterior, and boundary.
Ma'am, what is plane there, ma'am?
Okay, now start writing. When, write, heading and all. When a circle is drawn, in a plane, the plane is divided into 3 parts. Plane is divided into 3 parts. First one, interior. Second one, exterior. And third one, boundary. Or in bracket, on the circle.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, the plane means the place where we draw the circle.
Yes, surface.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, children, now look at here. See? If you want, you can draw a circle. If you do not have the compass, you take any other.
Ma'am, I have a
thing to draw.
compass.
You can just draw a rough sketch. Enough. 1 second.
We should draw with the circle with a pen or pencil.
Yes, draw a circle and 1 point. The center will be in which part, children?
The
Interior, exterior.
Middle part.
Interior.
Why you are using the word middle part?
Interior.
Freya started this.
It's wrong, ma'am.
The
ma'am, Freya
other
started.
also all are repeating. There is no middle.
Ma'am, it is
There is
center,
no
ma'am.
middle in a
Center.
circle. There is no midpoint in a circle, right?
Sender.
Yes, ma'am.
Center is in the interior part and center is in the interior part. Now, I'll give another point. A. Where is that?
Ma'am, it is
Exterior.
Outside.
Exterior. Outside, not
Exterior.
outside. There is a
Exterior,
word
ma'am.
for that.
Exterior. Exterior part.
Ah, and if I give 1 point, another point here. What is
Boundary.
that?
Boundary.
Okay. Draw.
Boundary.
Okay, now you can draw a figure and you can write. Point C is in the interior. Point C is in the interior. Point A is in the exterior.
Ma'am, is this an example?
Continue to write. point B is on the boundary.
How much centimeter we should draw the circle?
We just draw a rough sketch, enough.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish?
Ma'am,
See, children, because of your talking, my portion is not moving in your class. Other classes I can take very fast. In between, you will talk many things which is not needed in the chapter. Okay, listen to me. Now, did you write all this?
Yes, ma'am.
Write fast.
ma'am, we should finish these 2 chapters, right?
Yes. Okay. Clear? Did you understand, children? Interior part, exterior part, and on the boundary. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll move to the next portion. Did you finish, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Write fast.
Over, ma'am. Over,
Now
ma'am.
listen. Okay, children. Our next heading is, next, write the heading, chord of a circle, chord of a circle, chord.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the spelling of chord?
CHORD.
HORD.
Of a circle, chord. Yeah, if it is CH, so don't pronounce it as chord. It is chord. Chord of a circle. Chord of a circle. Okay, you can write the heading, chord of a circle. Okay, chord. Chord of a circle. See, children, chord of a circle is, that is also a line segment. Can you see that line segment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The chord
Yes,
of a
ma'am.
circle is a line segment itself, line segment which connects any 2 points. Okay,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
connects any 2
Diameter
points of the
synapse.
circle. Any 2 points. Chord of a circle is a line segment which connects any 2 points. If I draw one circle, if this is the line segment connecting any 2 points, this is a chord AB, chord AB. I can draw another chord like this. I can give this name as BC. Like this also we can draw CD. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, so many chords I can draw, many chords. Chord is a line segment connecting. Are you listening? Chord is a line segment connecting any 2 points of the circle. So what is a chord?
Chord.
Chord is
Chord
a
is
segment.
segment that connects
Any 2
two
points on a
points.
circle.
any 2 points of a circle. Okay. Chord is a line segment connecting
2
any
points.
2 points.
Points of a circle.
Points on the circle or of a circle. Points on the circle. See, the chord is not inside. Chord, when you take 2 points and join, okay, you will get a chord. Clear, children? Take 2 points and join, you will get a chord. Clear?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
write it. Chord of
Ma'am,
a circle. Definition I'll give you.
but the lines will be different,
Chord
right?
of a circle. Right. Chord of a circle. Chord of a circle is a line segment. Joining. Chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. any 2 points on the circle.
Finish, ma'am.
Done,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you repeat again? I had a network issue.
Chord of a circle is a line segment. Richard, you have your breakfast or drink some tea after the class. Okay, my class, I won't allow all this.
Ma'am,
Okay, Richard.
water, not drinking.
See, okay, listen. See, chord is a point line segment connecting any 2 points on the circle. Chord is a line segment connecting any 2 points on the circle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. So
Clear?
centimeter
Somebody
will be
asked
different,
me.
right?
Somebody asked me. Any 2 points on the circle. Did you understand this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we understand this
Yes, ma'am.
much.
Okay. Now listen. Now listen. How many chords can we draw?
Ma'am, sorry.
Infinite.
Many codes.
Infinite number of chords, because see, when I take a circle, I can draw this way, this way, this way, this way. Lot of chords we can draw. Lot of chords. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how
According to
many
the
number of
circle.
chords can we draw?
Infinite.
Number of
Infinite number of
infinite number of chords we can draw. 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Infinite
the
number
centimeter.
of chords we can draw.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Write this. This also you can write.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my sound is breaking.
No problem.
Yes,
Okay. So, Shraya, what did you ask?
Ma'am, the codes will be different in centimeters, right?
Yes. So, infinite number of chords we can draw.
Can you just make the board down? Ma'am, sorry, it is a code, right?
1 second. Somebody asked me some doubts today, just now. Who is that?
Ma'am, Manu.
Manu.
Now listen. So, she is asking, I'll clear it now. See, Manu is asking whether radius is a chord. See, children, where is the that is why I especially mentioned about the starting point of the radius. Manu, listen. Starting point of the radius. Where is the starting point of the radius?
At its body.
Boundary, or which radius is the line segment connecting? Center and any
Center,
any
yes,
one
ma'am.
point, right?
Center and any one point. Yes.
Is
any
it
point.
chord?
No, ma'am.
Manu?
It can't be.
No, ma'am.
So chord means any 2 points on the circle. You take 2 points on the circle itself and join, right? Right, Manu?
Yes, ma'am.
So is radius a chord?
No.
Is radius a chord?
No.
No,
Now
ma'am.
listen. Now listen. Yes. After explanation, you can ask any doubts. Now listen to me. Mute. Okay. So as Manu asked, Manu told radius is not a chord. Chord is the point, 2 points. Take 2 points on the boundary and join, only that. Okay, children. Now listen to me. Listen.
Ma'am,
Listen first. Listen first. I mute you all. See, children, some students are there. They are asking the doubts which is necessary. Something is there so that I can explain. So unnecessary doubts, you will lose my time. Okay.
Ma'am.
See, children, after this, after explanation, I'll give some time for asking doubts. Listen to me.
Not a doubt. Code doesn't pass through center.
And then, what I am not teaching, that you don't ask. Let me teach everything. After that, you can ask. Okay, Richard? Okay, children. Listen to me. That I told after my explanation, you can ask any doubts. I'll give some time. See, children, this is a circle. See, this is a circle. I can draw many chords. Okay, children, listen to me. I can draw many chords. And this is the center. See, I can draw many chords. Lot of chords. This way, and through the center also, right?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
So there are,
Yes, ma'am.
listen to me. There are lot of chords. I can draw anyway. Anyway. Okay. But how many chords can we draw?
So many. We
No, no,
Infinite.
chords.
Infinite
Circles
number
are
of
Number of chords.
God.
It's according to circle.
Okay, children. Now keep quiet. Mute. All of you mute. And think about my question. Okay, children. One chord has a speciality. What is that?
Ma'am,
Out of these, all these chord, when I draw one chord has a
ma'am, it
speciality.
passes
What is
through
that?
the center.
That chord passes through the center.
Yes, that's
Clear,
the
children?
diameter. Yes, ma'am.
So we can draw many chords, but we can draw chords which pass through the center also.
Ma'am, diameter.
Okay, children. I can draw many chords this way, upside down, this side, left to right, everywhere I can draw the chord. But I can draw some chords passing through the center like this. Okay.
Excuse
And
me, ma'am.
the chord I told before, right? The chord passing through the center is known as diameter. The chord
Diameter.
passes through the center is known as
Diameter.
diameter. All of you mute.
Diameter.
All of you mute. The chord passing through the center is known as diameter. Right,
Diameter.
children? How many chords can we draw?
Infinite
How many
number of
chords
chords.
can we
Number
draw?
of
Infinite number of
Infinite
chords.
number of chords. What is a chord?
infinite number of chords.
What is a chord?
A chord
is a line
segment joining the
points of a
points.
circle.
2 points on the circle.
I will ask somebody. See, Anandesh, what is the chord?
Ma'am, a chord,
Anandesh, what is a chord?
2 points. Ma'am, a chord joins any 2 points on the circle.
Is radius a chord, Anandesh?
No, ma'am.
No.
How many chords can we draw? Anandesh, tell. How many chords can we draw?
Infinite.
Infinite number of chords.
According to
Okay.
the circle.
So among all these chords, one chord has a speciality because it passes through the center. Clear? What
Yes,
is that chord called?
Diameter.
So diameter is the chord which passes through the center, right,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Now you got the
Largest
definition
chord.
of
Yes, ma'am.
diameter. Diameter is the chord which passes through the center.
Center.
Clear,
Center.
children? So what is the
Yes, ma'am.
diameter?
Ma'am, diameter
Diameter is the chord
Diameter
passes
is a
through the
chord
center.
which passes through the center.
Center. So diameter is a chord, right? Diameter is
ma'am.
a chord.
Largest
Yes,
chord.
And it passes through the center. Now listen to me. This diameter is the longest chord. Clear, children? Diameter is the
Yes, ma'am.
longest chord. Now you can see from the picture. See, I can draw many chords, but it is less than that diameter. So diameter is the
Largest
longest
chord.
chord.
Largest
Longest chord.
Longest
So what is diameter? Tell me.
Longest chord. Largest
Diameter of
Diameter
a
is
chord.
the
A
chord
chord.
passes through the center.
A chord passing
Diameter
through the
is a
center.
chord passes through the center. Okay, children. So we can see many diameters here. How many diameters can we draw, children? How many diameters?
So many.
So many, ma'am.
What the term? Which
Oh,
term will you use?
Infinite.
Infinite.
Which term will you
Infinite
use
number
to
of
denote
According to the circle.
any? Infinite. So diameters are the chords passing through the center. Clear? Diameters are the chord passing through the center.
Center.
So how many number of diameters can be drawn in a circle?
Infinite number.
Diameters
can be drawn
in a circle.
What about the length of the diameters?
It is the largest.
Longest chord. One second.
Not large.
Okay. All the diameters are equal in length because the radius are of equal in length, right, children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the diameters are of equal in length. Now listen. There are lot of things to study about diameter. Up to this, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen. Up to this, you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Infinite number of diameters can be drawn in a circle. So what is a diameter, children?
Diameter is a chord that passes through the center point.
Diameter is a line which passes through
Not
the
line.
center.
Diameter is
Not
the
line.
Chord.
Largest chord.
passes through the
Which passes through the center.
some. See, children, you are I asked you to tell the definition. Huh? Okay. So no need of telling the longest chord and all. Diameter is the chord
Which pass through the
Diameter is the chord that
center.
passes through the
Enough.
the
Diameter is the
center.
chord which passes through the center.
Center.
Listen, children, listen. All of you mute and listen to me. The definition of diameter is the chord passing through the center of a circle. Only that. Okay. Now, about the diameter, the specialities, we will think about the specialities. Diameter is the longest chord. First one. We can draw infinite number of diameters. All the diameters are equal in length. 3 specialities. One more specialty is there. I'll take next period. When is our next period, children?
9:50.
yes, ma'am.
Now, children, some more specialties are there. Up to this, you
9:50.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood. So, what is a diameter, John Sebi? Definition of diameter?
Diameter is a line that passing to the
Line.
Not line, not line, not line.
Sri Shankar, are you my assistant?
diameter is a
Sri Shankar, are you my assistant? Eh? Sri Shankar,
Yes, ma'am.
you are my assistant.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it your duty to correct everyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. See, children, see. John Sebi, tell. What is diameter? Don't worry. I'll give the definition next period, okay? But you can tell about that. You are muted. John Sebi? Diameter is the John Sebi, tell. Diameter is the
diameter is the is passing through the center.
diameter. The main thing you forgot. Diameter is the chord passing through the center. Diameter is the chord. What is chord then?
Line segment joining any two points.
Joining two points.
Joining any 2 points. Okay, children. So when you tell chord, that will be can be understood because chord means it is a line segment joining any 2 points. So diameter is a chord means it is understandable from the word itself because the chord is the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So diameter is the chord passing through the center. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Be the
Yes, ma'am,
definition.
it's clear.
Okay. Now, 9:50, no? Our next period?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please share the board at that time?